Hey everyone, want to automatically save your Instagram photos and videos to your phone's gallery? Let me show you how to set that up. All right, so open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. From here, tap Settings and Privacy to open your settings. Scroll down until you see Data Usage and Media Quality and tap on that. First thing, make sure your media upload quality is set to high or toggled on. This ensures your photos save in the best quality possible. If it's not on high, tap it and change it. Okay, now go back to the main settings page. Look for archiving and downloading and tap on that. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Save Original Photos. Turn that on. This tells Instagram to automatically save every photo you post directly to your gallery. You should also see options for Save Posted Photos and Save Story to Gallery. Turn those on too if you want everything saved automatically. Once you've enabled all those, just tap back and you're done. From now on, whenever you post a photo or video on Instagram, it'll automatically be saved to your phone's gallery too. No more screenshots or downloading your own posts. It's all automatic now. And that's it. Super simple way to make sure all your Instagram content is backed up on your phone.